Hey guys, today we bring you a crispy and easy bacon flatbread pizza. To get started on our yeast-free crust, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of water. Mix all your ingredients until you form a ball of dough. Knead your dough for 10 minutes. Allow your dough to rest for 10 minutes and cover with a damp paper towel. After the first 10 minutes, knead for an additional 10 minutes. Trust us when we tell you your dough will be smooth and easier to work with. The next step is to roll out your dough to your desired shape. Once you have your desired size and pizza shape, set aside and we can work on our next step. To make the pizza spread, you will need 6 ounces of softened cream cheese, ½ cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Combine evenly. Add ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. In a hot pan, add 8 slices of chopped bacon. Cook your bacon, but do not allow it to crisp as it will become crispy in the oven. For our caramelized onion, we use 2 large sliced yellow onions. You will need to saute them in oil or butter. You can also use some of the leftover bacon fat. Once your onions have become translucent, add 1 tablespoon of balsamic glaze and allow them to brown while occasionally stirring. Make sure to cook your onions on low heat and allow to caramelize. And now for the fun part. Start by lightly oiling your pizza dough. Next, add your cream cheese spread. Sprinkle a mixture of Asiago and Parmesan cheese. Now evenly spread your caramelized onions. Top with your bacon pieces. And for the last step, add chopped basil. Bake at 350 for about 25 minutes or until your crust is golden brown. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.